1412 Waterloo Shore. Let's go for a tour. It goes to the backyard. This is 4 stories. Has condos and amenities. So on your left is your garage. Right when you come in, office or bedroom. Bathroom. Closet right there. This goes, whoa, almost dropped that. Straight to the outside. It's a good sized yard. Right close to the park. Going on up. So right when you come to the top of the stairs, there's a half bathroom. Come to the top of the stairs. You got motorized blinds. Quartz counters, white shaker cabinets, refrigerator, washer, dryer included. That's the outside. Gated neighborhood. This is the pantry. This 4-door refrigerator. This lower one you can make freezer or refrigerator. If you got kids, they can get their own snacks that are small. Nice spacious living area. Already got your TV mount. Wood floors. Okay. 3rd floor. This is the bedroom floor. Again, motorized blinds. Amazing. So you got a view of the pool from here. This has its own bathroom. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All right, and here's your washer dryer. Front loader. LG brand. All right, primary bedroom. Gorgeous. You have 2 closets. This one. Shelves. Oh, for all the jewelry, all the goods. Little hampers. Little shoe shelf. Oh yeah. Toilet closet. Motion sensor. Double vanity. Walk in. Hit the handle there. Water over there. 2nd closet. Motion sensor. Linen closet in there. All right, rooftop deck time. Got a little shelf there. Can see this pool. So you come up, landing, This is just your HVAC service. Rooftop deck. And that is Waterloo Shore.